11th standard English if classes. Now we are going to learn about if classes type 1 and 2. Otherwise we can call conditional class. Okay, just the conditional class or if class why they have mentioned. First we should know about it. The beginning of the sentence, that condition part, if, and then after second sentence that one main class. Okay, that if class on condition class. Okay, condition part we can use. Okay, let us see that now. If class is also called conditional sentences, have two parts, the if class and the main class. So what is the if class and what is the main class? First we should know about it, clarify it. If it rains, I will stay at home. If it rains, I will stay at home. If it rains, that is if class, that is condition part. If class, otherwise condition part we can call. So what is the main class? After the comma, I will stay at home. What is the main class? The main class, the complete meaning we will get from the sentence. So it called as main class. If it rains, I will stay at home. Okay, if class, main class. So first we should clear. Okay, in this conditional class, in this if class, we have three types. First, second, third. First type probable condition, and second type improbable condition, and third type unfulfilled condition. But here in this PPT only we have two types. Okay, first type and second type only we are going to learn, and then next we will learn that third type. Okay, note, it doesn't matter which comes first. It doesn't matter. It's not rule. It doesn't matter which comes first. If it rains, if only the main class, the first sentence you want to come, is not rule. So whatever it is, sentence change it. Main class first come, otherwise the if class, if class comes to the second sentence. I will stay at home, the first sentence, main class, and then if class, if it rains. So we can alternate. So whether it is if class or main class, we can alternate. So it doesn't matter which comes first. I will stay at home if it rains. So don't use a comma. But don't use a comma. When you are using the main class, the beginning of the sentence, you don't use the comma. That's all. I will stay at home if it rains. Type 1, first conditional, is used to refer to real or possible. So what I have said, possible, probable. It may be happened. It may happen. The future plan, predict. We can use that. Is used to refer to real or possible situations which depend on a condition. Structure, if plus simple present plus future. Will plus infinitive without to. Okay, if plus simple present structure. If I park my car in the sun, it will get. Okay, the simple present, the condition part, that means if class. So we have to use simple present. The result part, that is the main class, simple future. For example, if I park my car in the sun, so incomplete. So if class, almost incomplete sentence only we can get it. So main class, we can get meaningful sentence. I will get hot, that's all. That is meaningful. If I park my car in the sun, it will get hot. Okay, so park, simple present, will get, simple future. This is a structure of this first type, first conditional, probable, otherwise possible condition. Okay, type 2, second conditional, that is improbable condition we can use. Improbable. Okay, second conditional is used to refer to an unreal, impossible or improbable situation. In this improbable situation, already it happened, again we can't refill it. So that is past life. Okay, so improbable, impossible. Structure, if plus simple past tense plus conditional. Would plus infinitive without to. Okay, if I had a map, I would not get lost. If I had a map, I would not get lost. I would not get lost. So past level, simple past, had. Okay, have, present, simple past, have form. This is had. Okay, simple past. Okay, one more example. If I ran fast, if I ran fast, I would catch the bus. I would catch the bus. Okay, would catch, would plus v1. Okay, so that's rule structure. If plus simple past plus conditional, would plus infinitive without do. Okay, next, if classes. Now complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in brackets. If someone tried to blackmail me, if someone tried to blackmail me, I dash tell verb within bracket the police. If someone tried, what is the verb here? So here verb tried. If someone tried, the condition class, the if class, first beginning of the sentence is if no. So tried is a simple past. So what did you learn? The structure. If class, if you have simple past, that main class would plus v1 verb whatever it is. Okay, so here if someone tried to blackmail me, I would tell the police. So this is improbable conditions and class third one. Okay, next fourth, he will get there in time. He will get there in time if he dash. Will get, first we have to identify that. Will get simple future, so first type. He will get there in time if he runs. Why do you want to use runs? Because subject, what is that? He, she, it. If you have it, verb plus yes. So if he runs, this is if class, and result part, that is main class, he will get the run in time. Okay, next, the cat dash within brackets scratch you if you pull its tail. If you pull its tail, the cat dash scratch if you pull its tail. So if class simple present, the main class simple future want to come. The cat will scratch you. Will scratch. The cat will scratch you if you pull its tail. Next, if I dash within bracket live verb near my office, I would be on time for work. I would. So second type, improbable condition. If I lived near my office, I would be on time for work. Okay, next one, I would plant some trees around the house if I within bracket be you. Okay, here be form verb, be within bracket, if they give no be form verb we want to use. I would plant some trees, would. So this is second type improbable condition, that is main class. So that if class want, what we want to use, if I were you, was we should not use. I would plant some trees around the house if I were you. So this is imaginary situations we can use, if I were you. So for example, one more example, that imaginary situation second type, if I were a butterfly, I would fly. If I were a butterfly. Okay, so this is imaginary situation. Okay, next one, you dash get within bracket get good marks if you study. You dash get good marks if you study. If you study, you will get good marks. So what is the if class? If you study, so you will get good marks, a main class, that is condition part, result part. Okay, you will get good marks, result part. Okay, the main class will get, simple future. Next one, if you left your bike outside, someone dash within bracket steal it. If you left your bike outside, left, so second type simple past, the if class. So okay, the main class, someone would steal. So because left, simple past, that if class. So main class, what is the rule here? As per rule, would plus v1. So verb whatever it is we have to use. Okay, someone would steal it. Okay, here correct answers. Now check your answers, what we have learned this fill in the blanks. If someone tried to blackmail me, I would tell the police. He will get there in time if he runs. The cat will scratch you if you pull its tail. If I lived near my office, I would be on time for work. I would plant some trees around the house if I were you. You will get good marks if you study. If you study, you will get good marks. If you left your bike outside, someone would steal it. Okay, this third type unfulfilled condition already we have learned. Just have to revise the third type unfulfilled condition, the if class and condition part. Okay, that if class, that is the condition part, past perfect verb, and the result part would have plus v3. For example, if I had studied well, I would have passed the exam. Okay, so for example, that is unfulfilled condition, but here they didn't mention, only first probable and improbable condition only they have mentioned in these PPTs. Okay, thank you.